Would you believe this pulsing, colorful creature is actually a brainless zombie? It all starts when a snail accidentally eats the eggs of a parasitic flatworm called Leucochloridium. The larvae hatch, invade the snail's tentacles, and swell up, pulsing rapidly to mimic delicious caterpillars. But then, the parasite hijacks the snail's brain, forcing it out of the shadows and straight onto the highest grass. This attracts hungry birds who eat the pulsing tentacles, completing the parasite's gruesome life cycle, only to repeat the nightmare.